The 1997 Toyota Mark II JZX100 walk around. We'll get close up on it so you can see. Got some nicks on the back bumper, and that is a fiberglass rear bumper. The wheels do have some curb rash on them. Chips in the windshield. Does have a windshield wiper scratch on it. Rear window has been tinted with a rear wiper delete on it. Does have power adjustable mirrors. Zoom out here. TRD Shift Knob. Sparco harness. Power windows and locks, and they work. One JZ GTE VVTi. Give it a start. It does have one key. Straight piped. Apexi FC Commander. Cup holders. Power mirrors, power folding mirrors, they do work. HID headlights. Please let us know if you have any questions. We're happy to answer. Thanks for watching.